Hello guys, today we are talking about some tips and tricks for wearing ponytail extension. So for these two ponytails, they have the same volume but with two different weights, so I choose the lighter one. There are some mistakes we often do with ponytails. The first is, usually we tie our hair loosely, as you can see it's like that. So when you put the ponytail in your hair, the ponytail will drop off easily. The second is, directly insert the clip into our hair. Then the clip will touch the scalp and you would feel pain. The third is, the wrap is not fully covered with the hair strand. That will look fake. The fourth is, use one bobby pin to secure the hair strand directly. It's obvious to see that the bobby pin ends, and easy to lose. So, here we have some hacks to wear the ponytails. First, comb and make sure all your hair is smooth and sleek. If you want to do a high ponytail, we suggest you do a sky-high ponytail. Lean forward and tie all your hair. When you tie all your hair, make sure that the hair is tied tight, not loose. You can use Uniwigs broken hair stick to tame all short or frizzy hair. It's very helpful. Or you can use a hairspray if you have. If your hair is thick, it's better to do a braid or a top knot, so it can hide in the ponytail. That will look more natural and undetected. Okay, when you're ready to wear the ponytail, insert the clip in the elastic horizontally. If your hair is thin, you don't have to insert all the combs of the clip in the elastic. If your hair is thick, you can insert all the combs of the clip. Make sure you insert the clip in a horizontal instead of vertical. When you wrap around the hair strand of the ponytail, hold up all the hair ends to separate them with hair root. Rip off the Velcro to avoid sticking hair. The last step is to twist the end of the hair strand and clip it under the hair with 2 or 3 bobby pins. So, hope above hacks are helpful.